Okay, hi everyone. Today we are talking about the Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates. It's a great way to earn money online by promoting Amazon products, so let's dive in. The Amazon Affiliate Program lets you earn commission by promoting Amazon products. You share special links, and when people buy through those links, you make money. It's that simple. So why to join? Well, passive income because you can earn money while you are sleeping. Once your links are out there, they keep generating money. It's a trusted brand, Amazon is a name that people trust, and it's free. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to go to the link in the description, affiliate program Amazon. So here you can read everything and you have to press sign up. Once you are here, you will create an Amazon account. And here, the only thing you have to do is fill all the fields, the data, and when you finish this, you will be able to create links to every product in the Amazon shop. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video. Easy way.